In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Trello cards using links. Trello is a powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, or even personal to-do lists, and sharing specific cards with team members, collaborators, or stakeholders can make your workflow even more efficient. Whether you want to send someone a detailed task or embed a card directly into a web page, Trello makes it easy. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to share Trello cards using links or other methods. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, navigate to www.trello.com. When you're on the home page, take a look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Log In. Click on that to get started. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your Trello account. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either enter your email address and password, or use a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. If you're using the email method, just type in your password and then click Log In again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the correct board that contains the card you want to share. Trello organizes tasks into boards, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. If you work within multiple workspaces, double-check that you've selected the correct workspace first. This ensures you'll have access to the board you're looking for. Now open the board where the card is located, browse through the lists on your board until you find the one that contains the card you'd like to share. Once you've spotted it, click on the card to open its details. With the card window open, look to the top right corner. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is labeled More Actions. Click on that icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Share. In the sharing menu, you'll have several choices. The simplest way to share the card is by copying its link. To do this, click the button labeled Copy the Card Link. This will copy the URL of the card directly to your clipboard. Once the link is on your clipboard, you can easily paste it into a chat, an email, or any document to share it with others. Before sending the link, it's important to ensure that the recipients have the necessary permissions to view the board, especially if your board is private. If they don't have access, they won't be able to view the card, so make sure permissions are set correctly. If you're looking for a more interactive way to share the card, you can also choose the QR code option from the sharing menu. This will generate a scannable code that allows others to access the card. You can download the QR code to share it digitally or display it on a screen for in-person sharing. Another useful option is the Embed feature. This lets you generate a code snippet that you can use to embed the Trello card into a website or an internal portal. If this is the method you prefer, simply copy the embed code and paste it where you need it. Finally, there's also the email option. This allows you to send the card directly via email, including key details from the card. Trello will handle the formatting and include all the information your recipient needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily share any Trello card with the right people, using the method that works best for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.